If there was one thing you could change about your trading, what would it be? That's a very serious question because most of the people come to 13 market moves after they're down like 500,000, $1 million, and they're down to the like lost 2,000, lost 6,000, lost 9,000. That's when people call 13 market moves, and they're like, well, guys, well, shit. I lost 500,000 in the market in the last few years, man. Please, I'm down to my last 5K. Help me out. It always amazes me. Like, okay, so what were you thinking, right? The whole time. Why didn't you call us earlier? Why were you just sitting on the sidelines? Don't you wish you had that 500K right now that you could take some wild fucking trades at the very top of the market? And I'm telling you, it's not too late. And here's why. Here's the crazy part that most of you don't see. $5,000 right now in the stock market is like having $500,000 right, like a few years ago in the stock market. Why? Because the market does absolutely stupid shit right now. And with stupid shit comes opportunity. There's a lot of people that are just blindly buying AI stocks. Guys, before you know it, it's just going to be like, okay, fast forward 6 months from now. I'm recording this on February 6, 2024. 6 months from now, AI stock, like, nobody's going to want to fucking touch it on Wall Street. Why? Because all the people that are getting into AI stocks right now, they're going to get burned. Leo, how can you be so negative on AI stocks? Because I know the behavioral patterns. That's how fucking why. Okay, remember the cannabis stocks. Oh, this shit's going to be legal. This shit's going to be legal. It's going to be legal. It's going to be like, where are all of these stocks now? But do you remember the hype? I mean, the cannabis stocks are probably not the best comparison to the AI stocks, but damn it. I mean, there was such a hype built about, I mean, TLRY. Do you guys, anyone remembers that? I mean, I haven't traded that in a few years, but there was a time when TLRY was flying to the moon, $100. I mean, fucking crazy, 170, like 50, $5 now. Most of the cannabis stocks trade under a fucking dollar now. Now, again, this is not a perfect analogy, but this is a great analogy for the purpose of understanding of the hype. Okay, 1999 hype on technology stocks. All you had to have is basically .com behind it, and you were going high. But for how long? It wasn't for a long time. AI, okay? It's not like, oh, AI, ooh, we just found about AI in 2023, 2024. Really? Like, we fucking knew about AI for the last fucking 15, 20 years. Why all of a sudden is AI real now? Why all of a sudden that's all the hype? So there's certain market sector that just reaches the hype. I mean, for many moments in history of the stock market, it were the solar stocks. Whoa, shit, the solar. It's going to conquer the fucking world. Whoa, the fucking solar stocks. The solar fucking stocks are down fucking 90% since last year. What do you have to say about that? Leo, are you saying AI stocks are going to be going down 90%? No, because some of them are like bullshit like Microsoft, okay? They're just giant companies. They fucking got their lock on the market as far as, you know, licenses and all kinds of bullshit. Basically, they got a monopoly in a lot of shit. And so now they got money to put in AI. Yeah, that company ain't going nowhere. It's not going to drop no 90%. But can it drop? Oh, yeah. So you trade it with options. You want to cash the big drops into some giant companies that, you know, Apple at this point is a dinosaur. Okay, the fucking 3,500 goggle set. Okay, so all right, let's say you get 1 million people buying this shit, and what's next? Like, where's the future of that? Like, okay, you're gonna goggles 2.0, 3.0, 5.0. Like, okay, what I'm saying is, there's a lot of things that people are not pricing in. They're not pricing in one of the biggest reduction in consumer spending that's coming up Okay, Apple is one of our greatest shorts for 2024 and possibly in 2025. Microsoft is going to drop. Nvidia is going to drop. All of these AI stocks that are so hyped up, especially the smaller ones, they're like, oh, whoa, we got a list of 148 AI stocks that are going to the moon. Like, seriously. What the fuck? Did you go just compile a list of, 150 AI stocks, and you just eliminated two that were absolute dog shit, and you put the rest of 148 on the list? I'm not even sure. How do you come up with 148 list AI stocks that are better than Nvidia? You got to be absolutely out of your fucking mind to do something like that. But yet, that's where the market is at. Whoa, you missed the ball in Nvidia. Yes, you missed the ball in Nvidia because you weren't listening to 13 Market Moves when we're telling you to buy the damn thing at $125, and everyone was laughing. Oh, you want to buy calls on that piece of shit? Yes, that's what we did. Okay, but now they want us to buy calls on 700 Nvidia. Fuck no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna let anyone that trades with me fucking do that. That's pure fucking stupidity. So, with that said, AI, just like cannabis, just like solar, just like a lot of... the cloud. Do you remember the cloud, Leo? Oh, the cloud. Fuck the cloud. Most of the cloud stocks still not at the highs that used to be a few years ago. Okay, so it is the hype. You're buying into the hype, Leo, but they're saying it's not the hype. This is like the future. Of course, this is the fucking future, but the future is already hyped up to the fucking moon. Okay, right now you're looking at AI stocks, the same shit. Bitcoin 20,000 back in December 2017. For those of you that don't know what happens next, well, Bitcoin goes back from 20,000 all the way to 3,200 within a matter of 11 months, which we accurately predicted. That video is still on our channel. So you probably wonder, okay, so you're saying AI is fucking hyped up? It's hyped up to the moon, Leo? So right now is the moment to short. I'm saying there are some AI stocks that we're going to find out over the course of the next few years that absolutely going to rock your world on the call side. But what I'm saying, overall, the sector is so hyped up that I think we're going to go a lot lower in AI before we're going to go higher. So all these optimism in AI didn't start now. The only reason the fucking market did not collapse in October was not necessarily due to the Fed and the expectations of lower interest rates. The main reason the market didn't fucking fall completely out in 2023 in the last quarter was because of AI. So what's new? We've had this shit for many years, and all of a sudden becomes so self-evident, so self-proclaimed, so obvious that everyone... I mean, you cannot open a page these days that does not mention the word AI. It's AI everywhere. AI fucking... What? It was just like .com. It was like .com. .ai. Fuck. Okay? We study behavioral patterns. Okay, this shit is at the moon. The expectations are there clearly. Okay, is the AI the future? Leo, you saying the AI is not the future? Sure, AI is the fucking future. I'm saying it's not the future now, this month, and it's not the future in the next 2 months. And the shit is already priced as if it is. So what do you do with shit that is way overpriced, and that is the very thing that has been driving the markets higher? Oh, Leo, okay, so I guess you go buy some puts on that shit? Oh, no. Oh, Leo, you want me to buy puts on AI? Oh, Leo, I can't do that. It's bouncing right now as you're saying it. Leo, I'm looking at the chart. Literally, as I'm listening to this message, AI stocks are bouncing. Leo, how could you ever have me short AI stocks? I just can't do it, man. It's not in my blood. It's not like, understand, you are the same guy that didn't want to short the 99.com bullshit. Okay? I'm not saying it's all bad. I'm saying as a trader, okay, not as a Warren Buffett, as a trader, who captures profit from short-term explosive moves to the upside or the downside, I'm saying this is not the fucking moment. Okay, and I've said this, man, and our team here at 13 Market Moves has also helped me nail some magnificent moves of the tops and the bottoms in many sectors, including Bitcoin. Guys, just when the world is blind, okay, you buy puts. When the world is blind, you buy puts. When the world is blind with optimism, you buy puts. When the world is blind with pessimism, you buy calls. That's it. There's your formula. You've come to 13 Market Moves to hear something different. There it fucking is, okay? Blinded with optimism, buy puts. Blinded with pessimism, buy calls. Well, clearly, if we were to measure the sentiment of the market, it's blinded with optimism to the fucking moon. And what is blinded to the absolute maximum proportion that would compare to the tulip mania and 99.com bullshit and the situation that was headed right before the 1987 crash? Well, AI. As is, it's fucking obvious to 13 Market Moves, but not yet apparent to the rest of the market participants. That is the ultimate, most beautiful moment to short the bubble, the fucking bubble. Yes, I called it the bubble. And the bubble does not mean that there's not going to be great companies evolving out of that bubble that we're going through right now. But what I'm saying, there's a lot more companies that are going to be going lower before they ever have a chance to go higher. So what is a better proposition? Leo, hell no. I'm going to buy the shit out of things that are already up 600%. Leo, no, I'm going to find a better deal. I'm going to go and buy calls and shit that is up 700%. Seriously? Okay. I guess you signed up to a Kramer newsletter or some bullshit. Or there's probably many others. I'm just picking some shit with Kramer over the last couple of calls lately. But look, the point is, this is the moment. This is the time. This is the time you don't be an idiot, okay? A lot of things are underpriced on the downside in the market at the same moment when AI is the only thing that seems to be driving the market higher. Even though today we got some other signals like CMI. Whoa, shit. I don't know. There are moments in the market, and there's very few of them because, again, reasoning has to meet reality at some point. So CMI, like shitty quarter, CMI goes in the earnings call and they're like, man, sales are going to go lower. Man, sales are going to be shit, okay, compared to before. And like the stock drops $3-4 and then goes higher by $14. Whoa, what the fuck was that about? Well, it could be a signal of a rotation. Maybe CMI went higher at the same time that they were unloading all the fucking technology stocks, AI stock. Oh my God, Leo. They were unloading technology stocks and AI stocks today, weren't they? For about 4 hours. And then it all fucking stopped. So what happened? You may be sitting there asking yourself, Leo, what happened? I mean, the trade was going fucking Magnificent 7 short 100x, and then all of a sudden we're just like nothing. Like somebody just took out the volume out of the entire fucking market, and they said, you know what? We're not going to sell no more. Actually, we're going to buy a little. Like what? What kind of fucking market is this? So you're probably sitting there just looking at this shit, and you're like, what the fuck? So I'll give you an answer to that. There's a delay effect. Like I've shown you a delay effect. There's market for a while. It just doesn't make sense. Oh, shit. Well, finally, the market fucking realized what's going on. Oh, well, AI? Oh, it's priced to perfection. Oh, it's already at the moon. Oh, we thought it's going to the moon, but you're saying it's already at the fucking moon? Oh, whoa. Okay, so now the market is going to come to the realization of that. You're going to hit a point of like, you wake up one day and you're just like, fuck, AI stocks are down. Bro, did anybody think cannabis stocks on weed legalization, did anybody think those stocks were ever going to be down? Like, in certain like media channels, they still have a separate section for cannabis stocks, and yet most of that shit is down 95%, not 90, 95% from their highs. And people are still like, no, but this is the shit. Invest in cannabis. What are you, fuck? You lost your mind? So AI's been around for a lot longer than the hype that you are participated in over the course of probably the last year or year and a half. So what I'm saying, this is the fucking temporary top. And I'm not saying this is the top of all fucking tops in AI, no. But I'm saying this is the top now. And if you ignore it and you buy the fucking top, you will highly regret it. And you will regret it. You will lose your ass. And this is when you're going to call 13 market moves. Like all those guys, they call 13 market moves that go before they ever call us from 500,000. They go down to 5,000, and that's when they call us. And, you know, if I ever get a chance to talk to them, I'm like, look, bro, seriously, why would you do that? Like, but I thought I could do it on my, I thought I could do it on my own, Leo. I thought I could do it, man. I'm like a very sharp guy. My IQ is like 148. I'm like, damn, bro, that's shit. That's fucking high. But who gives a fuck? Markets will take advantage of the smartest person in the fucking room. You know why? You may be the smartest motherfucker in the room, but your emotions are gonna fuck with you. When you trade, your emotions will fuck with you. So I'm not saying I'm the smartest guy in the room. There's plenty of people that I trade with neurosurgeons. I can't operate nobody's heart, certain nobody's brain, okay? But I'm telling you, I've traded with some very, very intelligent human beings. And I can tell you right now, they cannot beat my kids in trading. Holy fuck. I mean, my kids, some of them, they're in fucking 8th grade and they shit. My great grandkids pretty soon, my grandchildren pretty soon will be able to fucking trade better than some of those neurosurgeons. Why? Because I train them on the fucking emotions. Okay, you cannot beat the market if you can't keep your emotions in control. You can't be cool when you trade the markets. You can't handle the bounces. You can't handle that shit. The market will get the best of you. Okay, that's why, this is probably crazy. Well, my oldest grandchild is 4.5, but by the time he turns 6, bro, he'll be an astute trader. I promise you that. And so this kid already can do fucking, bro, he can read a chart better than probably 90% of the people in the world. And he's 4.5. So, imagine, the world of possibilities. If you actually dive into, okay, fuck it. Let's leave all emotions inside. I'm a neurosurgeon. I can surely figure this out. But somebody show me a roadmap. Show me how do I actually do that. And there's not many places you can go that will teach you how to do that. Because most of the places, they function in the reflection of what's happening in the news. They function in a reflection of anticipation of what could be, possibly, or maybe, or whatever. But when you look at the charts, you should grasp that. The chart will tell you, when we nailed the COVID crash, it wasn't about we knew, COVID is going to fucking take over the world for a moment. We knew the charts were just too fucking good to be true. Okay? They were too good to be fucking true. So, when you're hiring somebody for your business and they show up and you just know for a fact they're fucking high, and then the drug results come in and you're like, man, they absolutely perfect. I know for a fact that dude was high as hell. And the results come in perfect. Okay, so All right. So did his roommate uh help him out on the drug test? Who did? Somebody. But that's just bullshit, right? So same things in the market. You can call the bullshit at times that is so self-evident and apparent. AI is at the moment of bullshit, while most of the people will pitch you, this is the grow. Oh shit! Well, it's gonna evaporate the fucking humanity. It's gonna. Oh my. Whoa! It's gonna cancel all the fucking jobs. We're already seeing all the layoffs. Listen, motherfuckers. The layoffs are there because the companies are laying off people, not because of AI. They're laying off people because they're trying to cut down costs, and companies have been doing it for centuries in times of a fucking recession. So let's get that shit straight. Okay? It's not because of AI, but no. Well, hey, so you work for one of those media outlets. What are they going to tell you to do? Hey, dude, go write a fucking article on AI. Make it sound good. We need some more AI articles today. So you're going to be like, well, companies are laying off people. It's got to be due to AI. What else can it be due to? Well, they're laying off people. Well, it can be because we're reporting fake job numbers. It can be because we're reporting fake GDP numbers. Well, it's got to be. It's the fucking AI. You got to love this shit. You got to call the bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Somebody shows up high for a job interview, and then you get a clean drug test from them. You got to call the bullshit. So there's probably better examples than this. I don't know. But guys, what I'm saying is AI is going lower before it goes higher. And if you understand that, then you stop listening to all the media crap, because AI is on the edge of a cliff. I'm talking about not AI as a whole. I'm talking about AI related stocks. When you see Nvidia taking a dump between 9:30 open and like 1 p.m., okay, somebody is selling. Nvidia does not drop by itself. Do you understand? Nvidia stock does not drop 4% on a day within a few hours unless someone is fucking selling. Just think about it. Stocks don't drop by themselves unless what? Unless the number of sellers exceeds the number of buyers. Thank you very much. But yet there's going to be some wild fucking moments in the market, right? So you get, what is it? Like there are multiple companies that are reporting like, oh, so here's a good one. Spotify. -1 and -1 equals +5. How the fuck? Okay, so you lost money again, and then you couldn't, like, you've paid up the best bullshitters in the world, okay, to, like, you just paid $250 million. I'm sorry. You've agreed to up the ante on a lot of people that are generating a lot of revenue for your company, but even with that, you still fucked up. And you couldn't have increased your sales numbers, and yet the stock jumps up 20 points pre-market, and we tell you promptly, short this son of a gun, and you're out there, but Leo, but the green candles, I can't do it. Leo, Spotify, they're saying it's going higher. Who fucking says that? We're sad it's going lower today, and sure it fucking dropped like a rock in a move to formation. Charts, guys, charts, understand the charts, understand the moves, and you have a chance to beat this fucking market. Now, this market is tricky as fuck. They're going to play with your mind. They're going to play with your emotions. They're going to play with your heart. Okay, they're going to play with everything that you got. So don't fucking let them. All you need to understand is a move to formation. Move to Leo. Damn right. It was a move to on LLY. It was a move to on Spotify. It was a move to on a whole lot of things in the last few weeks. And yet the market drops, stalls, small bounce. Drops, stalls, Small bounce. What do you call that? What do you call that? Bullshit. Catch the bullshit while you can. That is how you will make money in 2024. By calling the bullshit. And this is why you come to 13 Market Moves. Because we help you identify the bullshit in the market before everybody else does. We help you stay just a step ahead before the rest of the market participants realize it. Spotify puts Leo, but it's going higher. LLY. But Leo, there's so many fucking fat people in the world. Who wouldn't want this drug? Right? Unless they can't manufacture the drug. So, stock drops. There are moments in time when 13 Market Moves has bit the market exponentially beyond fucking reality. It is like we should be the company of AI. I should probably even go do like 13.ai, guys. You want AI. You want AI in your trading. You short a lot of beautiful setups in the market right now with 13 Market Moves. So you want to profit on AI, you come to 13 Market Moves, and we're going to show you the real AI profits, which are going to be made on the drop. Leo, I could never short NVIDIA. They have brainwashed me. I worship that fucking stock. Before I go to sleep, Leo, I say, God bless NVIDIA. Guys, what kind of fucking trading strategy is this? Stop it. I believe in God, okay? And God helps those that don't listen to bullshit. God helps those that don't fucking spend time, okay, listening, okay, to what other people got to say about shit that ain't even true. Okay, God encourages you to develop your own opinion about everything. Be true to yourself, okay? Dare to live an extraordinary life. It's there in the Bible. It says, dare to live an extraordinary life, not a mediocre life. And yet, most of the people live a mediocre life. Now, I'm fortunate to say I live an extraordinary life for many reasons. And most of it is not for the money reasons, but because of the many gifts that God has blessed me with. And I know many of you that are listening have the gifts within you. You just don't even realize that you have them. And it's time to call the bullshit on many things that are going out there in the world. It's time to call the bullshit on the things that are apparent, that are not real and are not true. Okay? And it's within you to call those things. But as far as the markets, if you want us to help you discover some of that bullshit so you can make money when stocks drop, you go to 13mmtv.com and you click the big orange button and you get ready to take your trading account to the entirely new level. Guys, rock with 13 Market Moves in 2024 and set some fucking records. I hope you understand what this message was about, and if you don't, for sure, I probably have a lot more senior traders that can interpret this message a lot better than I do. So give us a fucking call. 13mmtv.com. Enough wasting time. Call the bullshit. This is your fucking moment. Short the AI bullshit. Go long 13mmtv.com. 13 Market Moves, long AI. Short it, utilizing our strategies. Call the bullshit on the rest of the market. Let's roll.